The word of the day is evolve, not evolve, evolve, evolve. I know you're thinking, what's the difference? Big difference. Let me use it in a sentence. Susie's style has evolved over the years. Now I'm going to use the other wrong pronunciation. Susie's style has evolved over the years. You see the difference? Evolved sounds so much better, and it's correct. Now, I hear evolve all the time, and I don't correct people. I want to, but I bite my tongue. It's evolve, and I will just cringe inside the next time I hear it mispronounced. But please, please pronounce it correctly. Evolve. Evolve is the word of the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lily Dubuque, and I will have another interesting word tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.